What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are replacing the headlights of this Corolla. We just received some headlights from Amazon, and as you can see, these ones I tried to clean them but they still have some stain. If you haven't watched the previous video on how I took out the tint from these headlights, please go back and watch it. I'll share the link in the description. So I finally decided to just get new headlights which also have some black housing because I was still wanting to maintain this dark look. So we'll see how they turn up once we replace them. So hopefully the new headlights will give the car a nice new look. So stay tuned as we do this.
Drop that shit.
So here's the headlight. You can see that black housing. Hopefully the dark look would be maintained. And then I chose a clear in whatever the lights for turn signals. So let's take off the bumper and see how this looks. So for us to take out the headlights, we need to take out the front bumper, so we have to take out some clips over here, some of them underneath this grill. There's some clips underneath, same as this other side. On the side over here, take those ones out, and then there's some bolts. We have these screws over here, 1, 2. We also have this bolt, this one, those ones that we need to take out, same as this other side. Then with that we'll be able to take the bumper out, then take out some more bolts so we can take the headlight. That's one. I think there's another one somewhere here, and another one will be on the other side once we have the bumper out.
Drop that. Still of the night, gazing up at the sky.
So now we have the bumper taken out. Next thing we need to do is to unbolt this and this, and I think there's another one here. So those 3 on both sides, then we can have the headlight out, same as the other one. Then we can put in the new one, switch the bulbs, and then put everything back together, and we'll be done.
When the stars began to fade, dimming lanterns in our eyes, thought there was nothing to find. I stopped searching for a reason, just let the world embrace us. In the silence we are one. Can't escape from this feeling inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine. When the cracks start to let you run light through, I'll be there to help you shine.
So we have it out now. Here's the new one. So make sure you have, so it doesn't come with any bulbs, so just keep in mind that you need to take out the bulb for the signal and the parking light from the old headlight. So those two go here, so we need to take them off the old one. So you have these two. So you can turn it anti-clockwise. I think it just doesn't need to be pulled out, but just turn it anti-clockwise and it comes out easily. So now we just need to start with the two small bulbs, the parking bulb and the signal. We have those two inside. Next would be the other lights. So we'll have the high beam in first. That's easy, just put it inside and turn it clockwise. Same as so that was the high beam, same as the low beam. So you can start with the sides. And then on this other side, you'll just lock it inside here. This kinds of holds it permanently. So just force it in over here. That locks it. And the last step would be just to put in the bolts and the screws together, and we will be done with this one side. Then we can move on to the next side.
Promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the signs. Just for a moment, a flash of light, you'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all the meteors fall out of you. Can't escape from this pressure inside you, but tonight the stars align. When the cracks start to...
So now we have both of them installed. just gonna try them out, just test them to make sure that the connections are okay, and then I can put the bumper back in. They look okay. On both sides. I'm just gonna try out the turn signals. Yep, and they are working. It should be good, so I think it's just what's left is just to put the bumper back inside, and we'll be good. So with that, make sure every other thing goes back where it was. These are the fog lights. So just put it inside and turn it clockwise.
The floor's been beneath me. Crazy how it's easy to see. Nah, I let it move and control me. Gone with the stars, don't even try to get me back for the night.
And with that, we are done. So let's take the paper off. We have the new headlights, looking nice. I'll just turn them on, and so we can see how they are. You can see the black housing kinds of gives it a nice look, just with the black and silver theme. Yeah, this looks great. I'm gonna put the link for where you can get these headlights. The link will be in the description. This would definitely change the look of your Corolla. So the quality is great. You can see how it looks great, so give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. See you on the next one.